നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കേറ്ററ്റ് ഡിസംബർ 2020 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അതിൽ കാറ്റഗറി 2 പാർട്ട് 1 വരുന്നത് ചൈൽഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് പെഡഗോജി, മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ്, ജനറൽ സയൻസ്, സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ്. നമ്മൾ ഈ 4 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് 1 ആണ് ചൈൽഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് പെഡഗോഗി. 1 മുതൽ 30 വരെ, അതായത് 30 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ചൈൽഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് പെഡഗോജിയിൽ ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പൊ അതിനകത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് 1, അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ഗസ്റ്റാസ് സൈക്കോളജിസ്റ്റ്, ബിഹേവിയർ കനോട്ട് ബി ക്വാണ്ടിഫൈഡ് ബിക്കോസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗവേൺഡ് ബൈ ദ കോൺഫിഗറേഷൻ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ദ മൈൻഡ്. ബി, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് ചേഞ്ചിങ്. സി, it is rarely overt. D, it is always covered. Answer A, it is governed by the configuration produced in the mind. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം തന്നെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും മലയാളത്തിലും ഉണ്ട്. ഞാൻ വായിക്കുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് കേട്ടോ. സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, the document which gives a comprehensive picture regarding a child. Options A, progress report. B, portfolio. C, anecdotal record. D, cumulative record. Answer D, cumulative record. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which of the following ideas is not related to social constructivism? Options A, reciprocal teaching. B, scaffolding. C, schedules of reinforcement. D, collaborative learning. Answer C, schedules of reinforcement. നാലാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, the emotions like anger, jealousy and hatred are generally termed as. Options A, positive emotions. B, negative emotions. C, rational emotions. D, irrational emotions. Answer A, positive emotions. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which of the following is a correct statement regarding maturation and learning? Options A, learning is a precondition for maturation. B, maturation is a precondition for learning. C, learning and maturation are contradictory to each other. D, maturation is a learned behavior. Answer B, maturation is a precondition for learning. ആറാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which of the following is closely related to the socialization process? Options A, modernization. B, enculturation. C, Sanskritization. D, westernization. Answer B, enculturation. ഏഴാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, assistive technology can best be used in the teaching learning process of. Options A, learning disabled. B, visually impaired. C, hearing impaired. D, all of this. Answer D, all of this. എട്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, what type of evaluation identifies learning deficiencies and difficulties of the learner? Options A, placement. B, formative. C, diagnostic. D, summative. Answer C, diagnostic. ഒൻപതാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, according to Guilford, creativity is based on dash. Options A, intelligence. B, insight thinking. C, convergent thinking. D, divergent thinking. Answer D, divergent thinking. പത്താമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, in which age level the child faces the crisis industry versus inferiority? Options A, 3 to 6 years. B, 6 to 12 years. C, 12 to 18 years. D, 18 to 25 years. Answer B, 6 to 12 years. പതിനൊന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, Rita's intelligence is described as broadly kinesthetic. Which theory of intelligence is referred to here? Options A, theory of general intelligence. B, theory of multiple intelligence. C, triarchic theory of intelligence, D. theory of emotional intelligence. Answer option B. theory of multiple intelligence. 12th question. The stage in which the child looks self-centered. Options A. adolescence, B. infancy, C. early childhood, D. youth. Answer C. early childhood. 13th question. Intelligence testing is useful for knowing. Options A. individual difference, B. mental retardation, C. educational backwardness, D. all of these. Answer D. all of these. 14th question. Which of the following is not one of the three elements of emotion? Options A. subjective experience, B. behavior, C. attention, D. physical reaction. Answer C. attention. 15th question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of learning disabled children? Options A. disorders of attention, B. difficulties in reading and writing, C. difficulties in solving mathematical problems, D. below average intellectual level. Answer D. below average intellectual level. 16th question. Which of the following is not a correct pairing? Options A. discovery learning, Jerome S. Bruner, B. meaningful reception learning, David Ausubel, C. observational learning, B.F. Skinner, D. trial and error learning, E.L. Thorndike. Answer C. observational learning, B.F. Skinner. 17th question. Factors that significantly impact intelligence test scores include all of these except. Options A. academic achievement, B. socio-economic status, C. heredity, D. gender. Answer D. gender. 18th question. Children use single words during language development to convey a whole sentence. This is called. Options A. telegraphic speech, B. hollow phrase, C. phonetics, D. syntax. Answer B. hollow phrase. 19th question. Dash is the culture's expectations for masculine or feminine behavior. Options A. gender role, B. gender identity, C. gender bias, D. gender discrimination. Answer A. gender role. 20th question. Whenever the child gets a toy, he open it somehow, examine and spoil it. This is a statement made by a mother regarding her child's behavior. Which developmental characteristics is revealed here? Options A. anxiety, B. curiosity, C. anger, D. pleasure. Answer B. curiosity. 21st question. What type of problem solving strategy would be best to use when solving a problem in algebra class? Options A. heuristic, B. algorithm, C. trial and error, D. means end analysis. Answer B. algorithm. 22nd question. Select the pair which is wrong. Options A. type approach Alport, B. psychoanalytic approach Freud, C. humanistic approach Carl Rogers, D. behavioristic approach B.F. Skinner. Answer A. type approach Alport. 23th question. According to Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which of these is the most primary need? Options A. belongingness, B. intimacy, C. Self-actualization. D. Safety. Answer D. Safety. 24ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence includes creative intelligence, practical intelligence and dash. Options A. Analytical intelligence. B. Emotional intelligence. C. Logical mathematical intelligence. D. Spatial intelligence. Answer A. Analytical intelligence. 25ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which among the following is an example of developmental disability? Options A. Autism. B. Mentally challenged children. C. Scholastic backwardness. D. Slow learner. Answer B. Mentally challenged children. 26ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Backward children are. Options A. Slow learners. B. Children with IQ level 90 to 110. C. Mentally sick. D. All of the above. Answer A. Slow learners. 27ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. If a person starts to talk in baby talk when he is under stress, according to Freud, he is using the defense mechanism known as. Options A. Repression. B. Regression. C. Rationalization. D. Sublimation. Answer B. Regression. 28ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Explicit memories and implicit memories are two types of dash. Options A. Short term memory. B. Long term memory. C. Sensory memory. D. Rote memory. Answer B. Long term memory. 29ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. According to Piaget, in which stage the child developed the ability for seriation and different types of classification? Options A. Pre-operational. B. Sensory motor. C. Concrete operational. D. Formal operational. Answer C. Concrete operational. 30ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Psychologists use projective test in order to assess. Options A. Self-actualization. B. Conscious motivation. C. Unconscious motivation. D. Happiness. Answer C. Unconscious motivation.